Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a fully trained electrician. I did my apprenticeship through Etco. Took me just over 3 years. Now that I'm qualified, I'm team leader here at Yachting Developments.
They've all been good. That's the best way to go. Apprentices that have come from Etco have all been good.
As a young person looking to get into the electrical industry, I certainly would definitely recommend it. It's one of the most exciting industries to get into from any of the trades. Technology nowadays is always improving. There's always going to be something new to learn. I feel I know an awful lot, but I don't know even a drop in the ocean compared to what there is to learn. The whole industry is developing. The super yachts, even just as one small segment of the electrical industry, is growing and growing and growing. Technology is increasing and improving faster than we can keep up with. Just what you can do with the products and the components out there is mind-blowing. It is amazing. It is exciting. There is no end to the capabilities. And even if you wanted to move on from being on the tools, being an on-site electrician, you can move on into drawings, you can move on into business owners, you can develop your electrical career away from the tools behind a desk. You can become an inspector. You can do so many different things.